Hello friends. So today we are discussing how you can represent concentration of a solution in different ways. Concentration of a solution means suppose if you are purchasing rice, you will say I purchased 1 kg of rice or I purchased a half kilo of dal, like that. So the solution what we are saying is in biochemistry or in molecular biology or in genetic engineering, when we are doing certain reactions, that particular medium, which is water based, will have many salts to maintain the ionic strength or to maintain the pH or to make that particular biomolecule functional. So when you are dissolving different solutes, or when you are dissolving only a particular solute, it is mixed with the water. So how you can represent that I prepared a solution like this? So for that there are different ways you can. So how much amount of solute is present in a solvent? Based on that only you are saying the concentration. That is amount of solute in a particular solvent. So when you say, you can represent in two ways, two broad categories, that is concentrations based on volume, and there is concentration based on weight. So when you are saying a concentration based on volume, it is the amount of dissolved solute per unit volume of the solvent. So based on that, one way how you can represent concentration is molarity. So when you say molarity, that is the number of moles of solute per liter of a solution. Or you can also say what is the weight of that solute you dissolved in the solution divided by its molecular weight will give you the number of moles. Suppose when you say sodium chloride, the molecular weight of sodium chloride, the amount of molecular weight of sodium chloride, if you dissolve it in 1 liter of water, that is 1 molar solution. Or the molecular weight of NaCl solution, that is 1 mole. Example, I'll tell you. Suppose if you take sodium hydroxide, for the sodium hydroxide molecular weight is 40. So if you are dissolving 40 gram in 1 liter, you will say 1 molar, or that 40 gram you will say 1 mole. Okay, so based on that, suppose so these are the so this molarity, when you say 1 molar solution and all, that will be highly concentrated solution, so you may need dilutions of that. So when you represent dilutions, you can represent like 1 millimole, that is 10 to the power minus 3 moles, or 1 micromole, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 moles, 1 nanomole, or 10 to the power minus 9 moles, 1 picomole is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 moles, 1 femtomoles is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 moles, 1 attomole is equal to 10 to the power minus 18 moles. So these are the different ways you can represent the moles, and the also I told you how you can say the molarity. Please subscribe our channel, like my channel, share my channel, and also press the bell icon, and also put comment in the comment box. So in the first slide, what we saw is it's the concentration of the solute, like that. So if that number of moles, if you are dissolving per liter of a solution, then you can call it as molar solutions. So if you are dissolving 1 millimole of solute per liter of solvent or water, then you can say that is 1 millimolar solution, or 10 to the power minus 3 molar solution. Or you can also say that it is 1 micromoles per ml. And suppose if you are dissolving 1 micromole of solute per liter, then you can say it is a 1 micromolar solution, or 10 to the power minus 6 molar solution, or you can say it is 1 nanomoles per ml like that. So if you take any solution, if it is a 1 molar solution, that will contain 1 Avogadro number of molecules per liter. Suppose if you take a 40 gram of NaOH, if it is dissolved in a liter of water, then you can say in that 1 liter of water there is 1 Avogadro number of molecules, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That is 1 mole of for a solute. If it is dissolved in a liter of water, then there will be 1 Avogadro number of molecules. And this concentration you can also represent in terms of activity. Activity and the actual molarity are related, like activity is equal to gamma into m. That is, gamma is the activity coefficient, that is the fraction of actual concentration that is active. Then next way how you can represent the concentration is normality, that is number of equivalents of solute per liter of solution. So in terms of molarity, or another way you can, what you can say is in terms of normality also you can represent concentration of a solute, that is the number of equivalents of solute per liter of solution. So what is equivalence? That is weight divided by equivalent weight. And what is one equivalent? And one equivalent of an acid or base is the weight that contain 1 gram atom of replaceable hydrogen or 1 gram ion of replaceable hydroxyl ion. So that normality is equal to that number of hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion replaceable from a solute into the actual molarity. That will give you the normality of a solvent. This concentration you can also represent in terms of weight per volume in percentage. That is the weight in gram of a solute per 100 ml of solution. That is weight per volume percent. You can also represent in terms of milligram. That is the weight in milligram of a solute per 100 ml of solution. Then next is the osmolarity, the molarity of particles in a solution. So this one already we have uploaded a video, in a separate video detailed we have discussed about the osmolarity and how you can represent ionic strength like that. So that is available in a separate video, so I am not discussing it. And the another way of representing concentration is based on weight. So that is weight per weight percentage, or percentage WW. That is the weight in gram of a solute per 100 gram of solution. The weight you can also represent by volume into density. And the another way you can represent the concentration in terms of weight is molality. That is the number of moles of solute per 1000 gram of solvent. That is molality. Mole fraction is another way. So that is the fraction of total number of moles present represented by the compound in question. So the fraction of the total number of moles present represented by the compound in question, that is by mole fraction. Then another way is, so concentration you can also represent in terms of degree of saturation and the degree of dissociation. So what is the maximum concentration possible at a given temperature for a salt, which is expressed in percentage, is percentage saturation. So about this, how you can make a solution based on degree of saturation, we will be uploading another video. And based on degree of dissociation, we have already uploaded many videos available in our channel, so you can refer it. The next way of representing concentration of a solute in a solvent or is parts per million. Suppose if the concentration of the solute is very less in the solvent, then you can represent the concentration by parts per million. That is number of parts of a component divided by total number of parts of the solution into 10 to the power 6, that is parts per million. However, you can say if 1 milligram of a compound is dissolved in a liter of water, then you can call it as 1 ppm. So thank you for listening our video. Please subscribe our channel, like our channel, share my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.